Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at what YouTube Data API is and what can we do with it. This is one of the APIs that Google has exposed, using which we can integrate our applications with YouTube and perform most of the core functionalities directly from the application. Some of the most used features are ability to search for channels, playlists, and videos, create and manage playlists, ability to upload videos, manage subscriptions and comments, update channel settings, and many more. Overall, we can develop applications that can interact with YouTube by integrating with this API. What do we need to get started? We just need a Google account which is required to access Google Developer Console to configure a project. Here is the link for the API documentation with some extensive content which can be referred for better knowledge. And we'll be referring this documentation all through the tutorial for explaining some important details. Now, let's open the API documentation URL and see what all we have. This is the API documentation that we are talking about, where we have some details about how we can add YouTube functionality to our site, and how do we search for a content, and some kind of code samples that are available for most commonly used languages. And we have getting started page where we have details about how do we get started, what do we actually need before we get started, and what are the different types of resources available, and what kind of operations that they support. And these are some of the resources and the type of operations that they support. And we also have some kind of details about authorized requests, how do we execute them, and some kind of quick start projects for most commonly used languages, and few other content that are displayed here. And we also have a reference section where we have documentation for all the request types that are available, like channels, comments, comment threads, playlist items, playlists, search, and videos. So out of all these request types, so we'll be looking at most commonly used requests in this tutorial. And coming to this API reference, we have some kind of details about the request URI, and what kind of operations that we can do on that particular request URI, and all the other stuff. And we also have some kind of code samples as mentioned here on this particular page. Here are some of the samples for Java, JavaScript, and few other languages. So these are some of the things that we have on developers page for this particular API, which can be referred for more details. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.